Unlocking the magic of English. Phrasal verbs with similar meanings. Hello learners! Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of phrasal verbs. This is an essential part of the English language that will significantly improve your ability to understand and converse in English at an intermediate level and beyond. We'll be focusing on phrasal verbs that have similar meanings to help you understand their subtle differences and how to use them properly. Phrasal verbs are unique phrases that combine a verb with one or more words, usually a preposition or adverb. They are an integral part of the English language, often with meanings that are different from the individual words that compose them. For example, the verb look and the preposition up form the phrasal verb look up, meaning to search for information, usually on the internet or in a book. Understanding and using phrasal verbs will help you sound more fluent and natural in English. Phrasal verbs are common in both spoken and written English, particularly in informal situations. So, if you want to understand native speakers or popular English TV shows and movies, you'll need to grasp phrasal verbs. Some phrasal verbs have similar meanings, which can sometimes be confusing. For instance, put off and postpone both refer to delaying something. However, they are used in slightly different contexts. Put off is more informal and is often used in spoken English, while postpone is more formal and is commonly used in written English or official communications. Here are a few tips to aid your learning process. 1. Learn them in context. Always try to learn phrasal verbs in a sentence or a real-life scenario to understand their correct usage. 2. Practice regularly. Use newly learned phrasal verbs in your daily conversations or writings. 3. Don't get overwhelmed. There are thousands of phrasal verbs, but you don't need to learn them all. Start with the most common ones and gradually build up your knowledge. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of phrasal verbs with similar meanings. With a bit of practice and regular use, you'll soon be able to understand and use these phrases with confidence. Remember, mastering phrasal verbs is a significant step towards fluency in English. Happy learning, and see you in our next lesson.